Hey, everyone! Today I'm sharing my personal experience at the Campanile Hotel Xi'an Bell Tower, Huimin Street Metro Station. If you're planning a trip to this historic city, make sure to check the link or scan the QR code in the description to grab the best rates for your stay. The location. You are right in the heart of the action, with the famous bell tower just a short walk away. The Muslim Quarter and Huimin Street are incredibly close, making it perfect for food lovers. Room comfort. The rooms are modern and well-maintained with lovely wooden flooring and soundproofing. I loved the walk-in shower and the little touches like the electric kettle and free bottled water. Breakfast experience. The morning starts with a great buffet featuring a mix of Asian and Continental options. It's a delicious way to fuel up before a long day of exploring the city walls. Leisure facilities. If you like to keep up with your routine, there is a free fitness center available for guests. It's a great spot to unwind or get a quick workout in between sightseeing tours. First impressions. The 24-hour front desk makes check-in incredibly smooth, even if you arrive late. The staff is professional, and the lobby area is a lovely place to relax after your journey. Traveling with kids. This is a fantastic choice for families because children aged 3 to 16 stay for free. They even provide kids' books, toys, and specialized toothbrushes to make little travelers feel at home. Getting around. Being so close to the Huimin Street Metro Station makes navigating Xi'an a breeze. You can easily reach the Zhengxue History Museum or the City Wall without any hassle. Worth the price. With a massive 9.2 rating, the value for money here is exceptional for a 4-star hotel. You get modern amenities, cleanliness, and a central location without breaking the bank. Overall, the Campanile Hotel is a perfect base for both history buffs and families exploring Xi'an. Don't forget to use the link in the description to book your stay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.